In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto submit in Expensify. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Expensify with access to the workspace you want to adjust. From the main home screen, look to the left sidebar and open workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want to manage submissions, then open the area labeled More Features. Inside that section, head to Manage to view the workspace settings you can control. Next, open Workflows. If you're prompted with an Enable option here, go ahead and click it so the workflow controls become visible. Once that's active, select Workflows again to drill into the detailed options. Now choose Submissions. This is where the Auto Submit, sometimes shown as Auto Reporting, is configured. Here's the key for turning it off. Look for the control that enables submissions. If you see a button or toggle labeled Enable, that means Auto Submit is currently off. In that case, you don't need to turn anything on. Leave it as is to keep auto submit disabled. If, on the other hand, the submissions control is already turned on, click it to disable it. With that, auto submit will be off and new expenses will stay in your reports until you manually submit them. You'll also notice a frequency option within submissions. This defines how often Expensify would automatically submit reports if auto submit were enabled. You can open frequency to see choices like monthly, weekly, and other intervals. For the purpose of turning off auto submit, you don't need to pick a frequency at all. Leaving submissions disabled is enough. If you ever decide to use auto submit later, you can come back here and choose a frequency that matches your company's cadence, such as monthly for end-of-month closes or weekly for faster reimbursements. A few tips as you wrap up. Only admins or users with the right permissions can change workspace workflows. So if you don't see these controls, check your role. Changes are saved automatically, but it can help to refresh the page to confirm what's currently enabled. If you want to be extra sure auto submit is off, create a small test expense and verify that it stays in an open report without being submitted automatically. That's it. By navigating to Home, opening Workspaces, going through more features to manage, selecting workflows, and checking the submissions and frequency settings, you've confirmed where auto submit lives and ensured it's turned off. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to review your workspace submission settings.